The little penguin shivered back in the cold night air. His tiny nest had broken down, left him with nowhere or where. He gathered ice with wobbly steps, trying hard all to see. Stopped and half a faith when hearts flew in his own waves. A strong wind blew and knocked it down, his work on gone. He sang but didn't give it up. He tried again undoor. He called his friends, they built as one, block by block so tight. Together they made it strong and warm, a safe and happy side. Now in his house he rests with joy, no fear, no more alone. With friendship